Alright, we are going to try to replace the strut on this 2007 Lexus RX400h. Been driving it for a while and noticed that there's some vibration coming from, sounds like the strut, so we'll try to replace it, see if that fixes our problem. So we'll first take the wheels off, jack up the car, and we'll look what we got. So I got the wheels off, and I'm gonna have to take this off, the linkage, this bolt, and this bolt right here, and two of these big bolt, and the top hat is in here. Those 3 bolts. So I'm going to spray it with penetrating oil first and let it sit. So we'll take this one off. So the bracket here was 12mm socket, and this one is 10mm, I think. So we got that out. So this is the ABS sensor. Just put it to the side, and I'm gonna try to take this one off. So I start with the socket, get it to turn, and then put the wrench in this so it doesn't spin. I'm trying to get that to undone. There it is. So we're gonna leave that in there for now. So we're gonna take these 2 bolts out. So use a breaker bar, 22mm socket, and just try to get up. It's pretty tight. Try the bottom one too. That one was pretty tight, so I had to use my impact. So if it's spinning, just hold it with another 22mm wrench, and then take the nuts off. Okay, now both of them are off. We can remove this and move on to the top. So I just tap it with hammer. Should come right off. So once you get the first one off, the second one just kind of slide right off. All right, the bottom is pretty much free. Then you can move on to the top. So we want to take these bolts off, these nuts off on the top hat. It's 14mm socket. So we're going to use a swivel to get these 3 nuts off. So I got those nuts off, and this is free to move. Yep, got that one off. So I went with quick strut from Monroe for easy of install. Alright, so I wiggle that strut in and install the 3 nut. I'm gonna put the bottom 2 bolts back in. Alright, so I have to jack up the knuckle a little bit to line up the bolt hole so it's easy to put in. Just put them back. We just kind of snug it with ratchet, and we're gonna let the car sit on the wheel and put some pressure on the suspension, and we're gonna torque these three nuts. Then the last thing to do is torque these. Okay, so you have to use swivel on that one to torque it. So it looks like we're ready to give it a test drive.